Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Tuesday, February 10th. Up first from Computer World, Elon Musk says SpaceX wants 1 million data centers in space to meet booming Earth demand driven by AI. Experts, however, say the idea won't fly. They say with thermal stresses on equipment and the risk of catastrophic damage from the impact of tiny dust particles, malfunctions could be much more common than on Earth. Maintenance and repairs would be more difficult. Additionally, collision risk would increase with many orbiting objects moving at more than 17,000 miles per hour. From CIO, Gartner says worldwide IT spending will climb to more than $6 trillion in 2026, up nearly 11% from last year. Gartner predicts that server spending will accelerate significantly this year, growing by 36.9% year over year. Total data center spending is expected to increase by 31.7%, exceeding $650 billion in 2026. That would be up from just under $500 billion the previous year. Gartner points to AI infrastructure as a key driver behind these jumps. And from CSO Online, Substack revealed it suffered a data breach affecting an unknown number of its users. On February 3rd, the company identified evidence that a third party had exploited an unspecified weakness in its systems to gain access to user email addresses, phone numbers, and more vaguely, other internal metadata. The breach happened in October 2025. Substack says no passwords or financial data were taken and that the issue is fixed. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.